Nvidia stock keeps defying expectations. Nvidia stock has very little chance of hitting $10,000 by the end of next year, but it's fun to ponder the possibility. To reach $10,000, it needs significant multiple expansion. Nvidia could strike gold again with what lies beyond chatbot generative AI. Let's dive in. Here's why it's not impossible for Nvidia stock to hit $10,000 by 2025. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. You know those far-fetched headlines asking if a stock can go to $10,000 by 2025, but it's only trading at $1,000. It is pure silliness. However, Nvidia stock could be the exception. As I record this, Nvidia's share price is $904, up 14% for the month, 107% for 6 months, 234% for the past 52 weeks, and 1,912% over the last year. From its October 2022 low of around $112, it's up 707% in 18 months. To reach $10,000 by the end of 2025, Nvidia must generate a compound annual growth rate of nearly 300%. It seems outlandish and probably is, but if the company continues to deliver AI-fueled growth in 2024 and 2025, I'm not sure investors can count it out. I mean, look at Monster Beverage. Over the past 30 years, its shares have appreciated by around 200,000%, a compound annual growth rate of nearly 29%. Now, beverages might not have cyclical corrections like chip companies, but they also don't have the kind of rocket-fueled growth that chip companies experience, especially when we're talking about life-altering technology like generative AI. I don't think it can reach $10,000 by 2025, but if it did, here's how it would do so. Multiple expansion would need to kick in. Nvidia trades at a multiple of nearly 75 times its trailing 12-month earnings and 35.6 times its forward earnings. The latter is actually below its 5-year average of 39.3x. At the same time, its price-to-sales ratio is 36.6x, while its 5-year average is 18.2x. Its price-earnings-to-growth ratio, at 1.55, suggests that it is undervalued, considerably lower than its 5-year average of 2.44. For those unfamiliar with the price-earnings-to-growth ratio, it is PE, current price divided by earnings per share estimate for the current fiscal year, divided by its projected 5-year earnings per share growth rate. As we've pointed out in February, Nvidia's earnings per share growth rate projection is very bullish for Nvidia. Any unexpected slowdown in AI would put a major dent in the price-earnings-to-growth ratio. In a January video, we quoted OpenAI CEO Sam Altman from his appearance at the World Economic Forum in Switzerland. "It will change the world much less than we all think, and it will change jobs much less than we all think," Altman said. Investors are faced with a dilemma: buy into the AI hype and face crippling losses as Nvidia stock returns to more historical levels below $400. Before June 2023, it had never traded above $400. The only way Nvidia will get to $10,000 by the end of 2025 is if the price-earnings-to-growth ratio expands to a 5-year average double where it is now. Nvidia stock strikes gold twice. No one understood that AI was a big deal until ChatGPT came out. Then a light went on in most people's heads that this technology was a game changer. That was November 30th, 2022. It's been out there for 16 months. In February 2023, ChatGPT Plus launched for subscribers only. Everyone and their dog is trying to create the next great generative AI app or program. The University of Toronto's Schwartz Reisman Institute for Technology and Society published a commentary on January 31st, 2023, called ChatGPT, a game changer for artificial intelligence. With more than 1 million users within the first 5 days of its launch, followed by news that Microsoft will invest US $10 billion in OpenAI in January 2023. ChatGPT is a transformative development in AI natural language processing, the Institute's commentary stated. One area that will benefit from ChatGPT and AI is academia. Plenty of university students will use the technology to cheat their way through school. However, there is so much good from the technology. Tech's ability to revolutionize schools has been overhyped in the past, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement around ChatGPT's transformative potential, stated MIT Technology Review contributor Will Douglas Heaven in April 2023. But this feels bigger. AI will be in the classroom one way or another. It's vital that we get it right. We don't know what lies beyond the original generative AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Claude, Jasper, etc., that can be an even bigger revenue generator than current AI initiatives. Nvidia would surely benefit. The only caveat, it won't happen soon enough to get Nvidia stock to $10,000 by 2025. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.